Woo! I just got hit hard with a thunderstorm. All right, so we got a new install, water leak, I think. It just says it's leaking, so taking you guys for the ride. Rain's off and on. We got tropical weather. So let's see what we got crack-a-lacking in the neighborhood. Pull your socks up. I think we had to freeze up. Alright, so I put a new filter in. She had a secondary one right there. I'm gonna tap in and see what our pressures look like in the airflow. So let me get started. Alright, so if you look at that, temperature split's real low on this thing. So we only have a 4 split on there. So we'll go check the pressures next. But yeah, brand new install. Water on the floor. So that feels warm. That suction line. So let me go have a look outside. Not good, install's not good. Alright, let's check our airflow. ML 296. So I'm pretty sure this is 1.5 tons. So we would be looking at D. Okay. So the units are factory set for the highest airflow for each model. Adjustments can be made. The jumper plug mark cool. So, boom, 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 boom. Oh, let's look for that jumper. And we're on C, which isn't terrible. So C would be about 800. Not sure what tonnage we have. We might have a 2-ton. So that looks correct. Alright, let's go outside. Alright, there's the unit there. So let's open that up, go have a look. This thing's low on gas, for sure, just by what I saw. I mean, it doesn't help that that filter was plugged, but I mean, my split's really low. So oh wow, this thing's real low. Real low. If you look at my pressure, superheat's super high. 75 superheat. 38 on the suction. High side's 194. That should be higher. So I mean, we got a leak somewhere on this thing. Here comes the rain. So Not cool at all. Not cool at all. Let's capture that. We gotta get this mama some juice. So that's real low. I don't see any obvious signs of oil, but let's get some refrigerant, get her up and running, and then we're gonna have to come back to a leak search on this bad boy. All right, guys, we're gonna add some gas here, get this lady up and running, and then I'll come back and do a leak search. So. Oh boy, I don't know how the installers don't see this. So factory charge on this thing, 3 pounds 11 ounces, so she's real low. Put in about 10 ounces right now. We're on a piston, so we're going to charge by superheat, but I'm just going to get her enough to get by till we come back. It's Saturday. We don't do any major refrigeration. We got calls lined up. So we're at about a pound right now. Probably a factory weld. I mean, I'm sure they pressure tested the line set. I can't see any major signs of leaking right now, but I mean, we'll see when we come back. There's got to be a decent sized leak in there somewhere. It is another factory weld. Damn Lennox. Damn Lennox indeed. You want to go in spurts so you don't slug the compressor. Outdoor air is 65. Okay, my indoor measurements were about 69 from what I remember. We'll go back in and we'll take the indoor temp, but I mean, it's not a big deal. I just got to come back there in a couple days. Go in and Alright guys, starting to rain. I've added 2 pounds, 10 ounces. Superheat's on target. Everything's on target. I mean, we're coming back anyways, so I'm gonna have to pump this baby down or possibly reclaim, depending on what's going on with the unit, where the leak is. So I mean, this will get her by until we come back on Monday, Tuesday or so. So we're setting pretty good. So this is part 1 of 2. We'll get the rest of the footage when I come back.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got